Yo, what's up guys, my name is Top5 Dude. Today we'll be counting down the top 5 people with the funniest sneezes caught on camera. Quickly before we start though, I just uploaded a video on my new gaming channel where I uploaded a lot of Fortnite related videos. So yeah, feel free to click the first link in the description for the ones who haven't checked it out yet. Anyways, the hashtag to win a shoutout at the end of my next video will be sneeze. All you have to do is leave a comment down below including that hashtag and be subscribed to my channel. With that said, let's jump right on into the list. Starting today's list off, we have a guy who recorded his sneeze in slow motion, and it's actually quite interesting to see what a sneeze looks like in slow-mo. For some reason his lips started moving like a horse, if you know what I mean, and it's just really funny to see for some reason. Moving on, we have a girl who makes a really weird sound when she sneezes. Now, this girl was on one of the most serious programs ever and started sneezing in the middle of it. Even the driver started laughing at her because he probably couldn't believe it was actually a sneeze.
This is almost it. Oh! I'm not going to speak on anything until we make it to the pit stop.
I can't wait for this. Bless you. Bless you. Shut up.
I only need one more. How many do you have?
Next up, we have one of the loudest sneeze or highest pitch sneeze I've ever heard. I don't know about you guys, but I personally barely make any sound when I sneeze, while this girl almost screams out her lungs for some reason. It would be a little annoying having a sneeze like that, since you gain everyone's attention in a matter of seconds.
Ashley.
Moving on, we have a grandma who has one of the funniest sneezes ever. When she sneezes, she starts like rolling her eyes and makes the weirdest face ever. Now, she also makes a really weird sound right after it, which makes it even more funnier. This honestly has to be one of the most dramatic sneezes ever. On the number one spot today, we have a girl who produces the weirdest sound you will ever hear coming out of someone's nose. I don't even know how to explain it since it's such a weird sound, but it kind of sounds like a dolphin, I guess. But yeah, since I can't explain this one, let's just watch the video.
Okay, one more.
These are all the videos for today, guys. Let me know down below which sneeze out of this list you thought was the funniest one. As always, I'll be giving 3 shoutouts. The first shoutout goes to Internet Games, the second shoutout goes to Crazy Zambas, and the last shoutout goes to John Klotz. Go check out their channels if you have some free time. If you do, then don't forget to comment something on one of their videos saying something like Top5 Dude sent you. Also, don't forget to check out my merch by clicking the first link in the description. I hope you all enjoyed today's video. If so, then you know what to do. Smash that like button like always. And until next time, I'm out. Peace.